My name is Jagan Mohan Rao Chikwarpu. I am the student of Federation University. The course name is Contemporary Challenges for IT Management and the course code is ITECH 6207. In this video, the topic is about the change management in an organization. Here, the video discusses about the topics of the cause of the change and the force of the change and necessary and the steps need to be developed in change management. The steps taken by the developers and the managers to restrict the change that has been implemented in an organization. The change management is implemented when the business want to change their existing business. They use certain processes and steps. The cause of the change will happen for some of the following reasons, or the change in the business for the needs of the development of new product. The changes are because of the new product, the change of the customer taste and thinking, the change in the technology, culture, politically, economically, etc. The competition is it plays a major role. The force of the change to the business organization are due to the different factors, but some of the common things are external, internal change of the organization or the business or the organization. If they want to increase the profitability, then they will go for the internal change. The internal change for the business is due to the different reasons like competition, taxes, new rules, etc. There are particular ways inside developing a transformation management system in the group. The initial steps will be developing request for transform. While a problem in the group has been discovered, a change is needed. Modify is required to prevent or reduce one destiny consequences. For this reason, request transformation should be created. The second phase will be attain organization, transforming popularity. Your destination to make it transform is often a company conclusion. Extract where cost versus rewards and the axis despite the fact that the actual transform will be strictly commercially infrastructure focused. That process or part failure. Still deciding to waste money exist while using organization sector instead of while using that section for the reason the actual transform should be authorized through the management in the group. Your third phase will be begin. The actual processes growth of your transformation is usually that advice process. If a brand new process will be created, the collaboration attempt between organization and the staff. These programs were created by simply a greater that staff. However, the style will be organized through the organized levels. For these reasons, collaborative attempt is necessary inside coping with the actual transform advisory board. The transform advisory board reviews almost all important prior to the transform can be put into the creation. This purpose is always to evaluate the actual very form and operation and governance viewpoint to assure that not far of the dangers having been discovered and mitigated. The fifth phase will be put into the practice that actual transform if the probable by giving a long time to meet the people troubles. If the transform has been authorized next, the enhancement of transform will be the table later. The sixth phase will be recorded finally. Once the transform has been applied properly without troubles, next the effect that is responsible for disseminating every piece of information to stakeholders. The final phase will be frequently reviewing the method. At least one time inside on a yearly basis. Great review in the production should be done to assure the transform proof will be managed. This that administrator is usually and group accounted for copying with the actual transform correctly for the reasons that administration need to one great understanding in most their false claims. Modify management can be failed due to reasons such as very poor connection, communication, infrastructure, etc. In summary, transformation is the necessary for every group. If the transformation has been effectively applied and maintained, after that they can lead to the good organization and good group. Many thanks. Thank you.